In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Xero email templates in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to customize your client communications or simply want to adjust the language to better fit your company's style, modifying email templates in Xero is straightforward. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero accounting software login page and enter your credentials. Be sure to input your email and password correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, locate your company's name in the upper part of the interface. Clicking on your company name will bring up a menu where you'll see a Settings option. Select Settings to access various configuration options available for your account. In the settings menu, one of the options you'll find is email settings. Click on this to proceed. This section is where all your company's email templates are housed. You can modify existing templates or create new ones to suit different needs. For instance, you might want to tweak the language used in your invoice emails or adjust the format of receipts sent to clients. Next, select the specific template you wish to edit. You'll see a range of templates suited for various purposes. Choose the one you are interested in customizing by clicking on it. Once selected, look for the Edit button, which will allow you to make changes to your template. Now you're in the editing section. Here you can edit various components of the email template. You can change the subject line, adjust the greeting, or modify the body text to include personalized messages. You have complete control over what you want your emails to communicate to your clients. After you've made all your desired changes, it's crucial not to forget to save your work. Look for the Save button and click on it to ensure all your edits are retained. This will update the template and it will be ready to use for future emails. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to edit email templates in Xero. Customizing how you communicate with your clients can significantly impact your business's professionalism and clarity. It's a small step, but one that shows great attention to detail. Thanks for tuning in and make sure to subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.